So you come in after the hood cleaners have completed their service from last night and you got water on the floor, you got water in the ducts, you got water on the roof. What do you do now? I'm James with Bare Metal Standard. We've been doing this since 1964 and we have an answer for you. Water in the ducts, water on the floor, water on the roof. It is something that can happen from time to time for a kitchen exhaust cleaning vendor. A reasonable amount of water to expect after cleaning can be drips that continue to happen from the hood, because during the service there can be tens to hundreds of gallons of water used to rinse out the grease and the degreasers that are used during the service process. On the rooftop, that area should be relatively grease-free. However, residual water should be okay. It is the roof. What you're looking for also is then the parking lot area. Where did the wastewater travel to? It should capture most, if not all of that. The ducts should have limited water inside them because all the ductwork is rated to grade to the kitchen hood. So any water that remains up there, that's a deficiency. And you need to work with your vendor to fix that so that you don't have grease pooling inside the duct, which is a massive fire hazard. First things first, you got to call your vendor. You need to get in touch with them and communicate the issues. To be quite frank, it doesn't mean that they did a poor job, but it does mean that they didn't leave your kitchen the way that you left it. It should be in the same or better condition than when you gave them the kitchen to degrease it for fire safety. When you get in touch with your vendor, communicate to them the issues, but then also do a thorough check of the rest of the system. One issue typically does cascade and mean that there could be other compounding issues. Give them a chance to fix it, as they should, to clean up the mess and give you the kitchen that you should have rightfully deserved. If you don't hear from your vendor or you don't get communication from them enough, make sure to follow up with them. Ask for the completion report. Expect communication from them. If you're not getting enough communication from them, that's where we can come in. We can give you a free inspection of your system and give you a price to help you understand what your system really needs and perhaps even become your vendor. So click that link and give us a shot to give you a free price quote for risk mitigation on cleaning your kitchen exhaust system.